Hi guys, today I have Motorola Moto S50 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and choose settings. In it we must find our Google Password Manager and there we can manage our Google passwords by tap on it. Now we must enter login to get connect to these passwords. In it, after we press this first icon, we can copy our email and passwords, or when we choose this size icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also short this password to someone by this one icon, or edit all our smartphone remember by tap on Reddit and change something. But remember, when you did it, press save. You can also delete all by tap on delete and confirm it by delete. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.